Welcome back, everybody. This is my SHG channel, Anthony T, aka Discount Daddy, and today we're going to start on day 5 of how to turn your $199 in order to replace your 9 to 5. Now, we went over on day 4. Towards the end, actually, we're basically setting up a Facebook group. Now we're going to figure out the group guides, basically, on how you're going to control that group, who can post, when. You're going to have to regulate all of that. That'll be all set up basically right here. Kirsty's going to actually do the video, and she's going to teach you step by step on how to set up the guidelines for your Facebook group. To set up a pin, what to make private, what to make friends and family only, and so forth. She'll go through all of that step by step. To be honest with you, I haven't started a Facebook group yet because this is actually new. Because this portal, the back office videos have been revamped, and that wasn't on there before. So I figured, now that it's been added, because people have been curious about it, people see that Kirsty has a Facebook page, Daniel Kump, and a lot of other members are putting up Facebook pages, so they were curious. So they added it on there on this new revamped back office videos training. So actually, I'm going to be probably starting a group here. I want to finish my series first on YouTube because I have been focusing a lot on YouTube. And then one of my 2 next projects are going to be setting up Craigslist and, of course, setting up my Facebook page. So I'm actually going with you guys by this weekend, hopefully. I'm trying to, at the very least, get the Craigslist going and then the Facebook. But Kirsty will teach you step by step on everything you need to do. And, of course, what to post. You're going to actually redirect if you want to promote your Facebook page. That's when you can utilize TikTok, Instagram, even Facebook Reels, obviously, because that'll take you directly to there. And you're going to want to squeeze that in your bio, or when you're doing the video, just let them know, to click on the link so they can follow you on your Facebook page. And then the content you're going to have on there, as you can see on the next video, will be results, value, and lifestyle. Now on results, you're going to want to obviously figure out your niche. Once you figure out your niche, you're still talking to your niche, even in the Facebook groups. You're going to figure out what their pain is. You're going to give them a resolution, and then that's going to lead to engagement. With that, that basically begins your results, because people want to see what my company offers you. SHG offers you discounts from your homeowners insurance, car insurance, hotels. I mean, the list goes on and on. Your back office webpage, when you create that, then you'll link into your portals for travel. That's where you get your discounts. You can go into the back portal for the car insurance, homeowners insurance, all the stores for shopping. You get rebates, cash rewards back, and that builds up. So you're basically going to show people the results of what your product is going to do for them. How is it going to fix their pain? It's going to save them money, and a lot of money, because they said in an average year, between $4,000 and $10,000 is being saved when you come onto Savings Highway Global yearly. And that's a huge savings. And so you could take that savings now and bring it into your business, because not only are you going to save money, but you also have the opportunity to earn extra income. However you want to cut it, as a side hustle, an opportunity, as a business, because in the end, this is a business, because you're given a website, you're given funnels, you're given like 5 funnels. Have you seen from day 1? You're creating a domain name, and you're paying like $7 per domain names, and you're promoting that. Now also, just a little bit more, you'll be promoting now your Facebook group, and then the content you put on there. As the people come in, they may ask you questions. You'll be able to regulate how that, or if they post, if it's, it's a decent post, then you'll let them continue to post. If you feel that they're negative, sometimes there's bashing or a lot of cursing, then you don't have to let them post. So you'll be able to control all of that when you set up the group guidelines. Then obviously your value. For example, people get value and worth mixed up. When you think of, like, say, joining, when I joined in the platinum for $100 a month. That was a membership. But that was, but the worth I got from that is I saved $300 on my car insurance. I saved $300 on my laptop, and I took a vacation to Pigeon Forge, and I saved almost $300 in hotels there. So to me, the value, I saved almost $1,000, $900 with $100 monthly membership. Then the lifestyle, that in the beginning with the lifestyle, you're gonna basically show how much you're saving, because in the beginning, obviously, you're not going to be up there like, say, Kirsty Snyder. Her first week she made $3,200, but like I said, she was a natural at it. She was able to grasp everything very quickly and took off. I'm at about 3 months. I'm doing pretty good. Not as good as I want to. Obviously, I'm not at $3,200 a week or like she is, but little by little, I am getting there. Even if it took me another 6 months to a year, $3,200 a week, I'd be ecstatic. So currently, I have to show my lifestyle of all the savings I'm having, and then also that's where you utilize your sponsor or your upline, which would be Kirsty Snyder and Daniel Kump. In my beginning videos on YouTube, I use Daniel all the time because he would show how much he made when he first started. And you could see the potential that this business has. The more prospects you bring in, obviously, the more money, but then you help them. When you help them, they get their prospects, and then you teach them. That's where this becomes duplicatable. Once you teach your 3 or so that you get in, or 4, then you teach them to replicate what you do. And then they do the same as you, get 2, 3, 4, and so forth. And you can see how every time it goes down, you get a commission. You get the commission, they get their commission, as well as a residual income. You also get a percentage of the residual income of the people under your prospects. And then that's when you can, once you get there to that lifestyle, you could show them like the proof videos we were talking about in 3. On day 3, that's where you could probably show, hey, I made $3,000 this week. Some people, 7,000, 10,000, 20,000, and that's on our upline. And that's when you get plugged in, because we also have our webinars and calls with our upline. I'm talking about the CEO of the company, the CFO. You're going to hear them on the calls weekly. They're always on there, and man, they're always looking for a way to make us more money. And that's what I enjoy very much about this company. They're always looking for a way to help us out to make more, and you can't beat it. So that's on the lifestyle. Then eventually you're gonna have to do a live video. I even haven't done one yet because this Facebook, creating a Facebook page is brand new. But this is probably something I should have done a little while ago. So I'm giving you a heads up. By the time, it's up to you with the Facebook thing. Like for me, I'm in my 3rd month in, and I'm just getting started with a Facebook group. So really, it's up to you how you want to take the end of 4 and obviously the rest of day 5. You can hold off on it because that is a pretty big jump. But hey, if you're already doing shorts and reels and you're feeling confident about that, if you're jumping into YouTube videos because you're getting CapCut ahead of time. I didn't get CapCut till at least a month in. I want to say a month in. I didn't learn and got it, so I got better at it. The CapCut, and now with our new training, That's all there. So you're ahead of the game. You'll probably be ahead of me in 3 months. I'm hoping to see you fly past me in 3 months. So, but it's awesome. It's a great journey. I'm having fun with it, as you can see. And I hope that you have fun with it. Because why not? If you're making money and having fun, and then when you're making big money, then you're really going to have fun when you go on any vacation you want, take your family wherever you want them to go, and enjoy life. Because in the end, that's what it's all about, enjoying life. So one day, eventually, you have to start doing live videos. Once you do your first, obviously, it'll show you when to go on there live. Because you'll see when you're about to click live, especially on Facebook, you'll see how many people of your friends or groups are on there. And they say if it's more than 100, that's your opportunity. They say that a lot of people are on there Sunday, between Sunday night and Monday. I'm not 100% sure analytically why, but they say Sunday and Monday for some reason. People are on a lot of people for some reason are on Facebook. Maybe they're trying to go to work Monday. They're looking for another avenue, and that's your opportunity. The Sunday, they're like, oh man, I got to go to work tomorrow, really? And then you go live, and boom, you give them the presentation. Basically, now you are the presenter, not your upline, you. But tell them your experience. Be real, be honest. You might even make a stumble and make a mistake here and there. Invite maybe your upline. Like I'm sure Kirsty, if I were to do a live and I'd ask her, hey, do you mind being there just in case? I'm sure she'd back me up. But you got to go out there and do it. And eventually I got to go out there and do it. So get on there and do a live video because that's my plan. Hopefully by this Sunday, I want to see about going live. So if you're watching this video, go check me out. I'm going to go live hopefully this Sunday, God willing. So that's it really for day 5. It's optional, but hey, it's a good step. Now for day 6, this is we're going to get into YouTube. YouTube Academy. This is Daniel Kump's specialty is YouTube because this is where he gets 90% of his prospects are from YouTube. Those are amazing numbers. And he is, to me, the king of YouTube. I'm sure there's tons of people out there. I've met several other people out there. But in our company, Daniel Kump's the man to go to. So that's it for day 5. We'll be talking for day 6 about YouTube and how to set that up. All right, you guys have a good one. And be safe out there. And thank you for following my YouTube channel. Subscribe and like and comment below. Goodbye, guys.